how to rebuild the toilet. Removing that old tower and the fluid master. And then the old flush handle. First, you're going to turn off the water. You're going to disconnect it from there. You're going to take out the little ring from there. Come over here. Remove this. Next, what you want to do is those 3 bolts right there. You're going to remove those bolts. Stick your screwdriver at the very top, and then underneath you're going to see sometimes those bolts are too rotted out to get your screwdriver flathead in there. So what you have to do is take your sawzall and you're going to stick it underneath at a flat angle and then start sawing off those bolts. Once you're done getting it off, it's going to look like this. You're just going to want to clean all that off. You're going to want to take this donut off, and then you're going to get your grip and unloosen that to take off that tower. Okay, once you got everything taken out, you're going to put your new tower in there, your new fluid master. Then you're going to come in the back. You're going to tighten up the 2 nuts, and then you're going to want to get a new donut, and then you're going to apply it onto here. Sorry about that. Onto here, nice and tight. As you can see, it's nice and tight all the way around, so it doesn't leak. The next thing you do is you set the tank into place after you clean up everything, and you start adding all your screws. Okay, now once you get the bolts in there, they're going to actually look like this. Coming in from the inside, you're going to have the metal, then you're going to have the rubber going in this way, and then coming out this way, you're going to have it opposite. The rubber, the metal, and then your screw. And when you hold this with your pliers, and then you take your flathead and you tighten it up, don't over tighten it, just snug so that way it doesn't leak. Once you got all this screwed down and ready to go, you just stand up the tank, match up the bolts, and when you're done with everything on the bottom and you have everything hooked up, you turn on your water, you check for leaks. Nothing. Thank you for watching this video.